Tunpur TV. A for apple, apple. A for ant, ant. B for ball, ball. B for boy, boy. C for cat, cat. C for camel, camel. D for doll, doll. D for deer, deer. E for earth, earth. E for egg, egg. F for frog, frog. G for giraffe, giraffe. G for guitar, guitar. H for house, house. H for hen, hen. I for insect, insect. I for island, island. J for jellyfish, jellyfish. J for jar, jar. K for cattle, cattle. K for kiwi, kiwi. L for ladybug, ladybug. L for lemon, lemon. M for mouse, mouse. M for moon, moon. N for notebook, notebook. N for nest, nest. O is for ostrich, ostrich. O is for owl, owl. P is for parrot, parrot. P is for pumpkin, pumpkin. Q is for quill, quill. Q for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. R is for robot, robot. S is for sandwich, sandwich. S is for soap, soap. T is for turtle, turtle. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for vegetable, vegetable. W for window, window. W for watermelon, watermelon. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yak, yak. Z for zoo, zoo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Can you count to 10? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. We counted to 10. Let's go again. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing! We counted to 10. Shall we go again? Shall we count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant! We counted to 10. Let's go again. One last time. And count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done! We counted to 10. एनिमल नेम्स। बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे एनिमल नेम्स। ये कौन सा एनिमल है? ओह, ये तो लायन है। क्या है ये? लायन। ये कैसी आवाज निकालता है? ये क्या है बच्चों? ये है एक एलिफेंट। ये तो कितना बड़ा है। एलिफेंट कैसी आवाज निकालता है? इसे बोलते हैं हिप्पोपोटेमस। इसका नाम तो बहुत बड़ा है, इसलिए हम इसे हिप्पो बुलाएंगे। हिप्पो। ये कैसी आवाज निकालता है? ये क्या है बच्चों? ये तो एक मंकी है। इसके पास तो बनाना भी है। मंकी कैसी आवाज निकालता है? अब बच्चों, ये बताओ, जिसकी बहुत बड़ी गर्दन होती है उसको बोलते हैं जिराफ। ये क्या है अब? ये तो एक टाइगर लग रहा है। हाँ, ये है एक टाइगर। टाइगर कैसी आवाज निकालता है? अरे, अब ये कौन सा एनिमल आ रहा है? शायद इसका नाम है गोरिल्ला। हाँ, इसका नाम गोरिल्ला ही है। क्या बोलते हैं इसको? गोरिल्ला। इसकी कैसी आवाज है? ये तो जी फॉर ज़ेब्रा है। इसको तो हम जानते हैं। क्या है ये? ज़ेब्रा। ये तो ब्लैक और वाइट दोनों कलर का होता है। अरे, ये बियर यहाँ क्या ढूंढ रहा है? हाँ, इसे तो बियर कहते हैं। बियर तो बहुत क्यूट से लगते हैं, है ना बच्चों? आपने बियर की आवाज़ सुनी है? इसका क्या नाम है? इसका नाम है राइनोसोरस। क्या नाम है इसका? राइनोसोरस। इसका नाम तो बहुत बड़ा है, इसलिए हम इसको राइनो बुलाएंगे। बच्चों, अब बताओ, ये क्या है? ये है वुल्फ। इसका क्या नाम है? वुल्फ। वुल्फ कैसी आवाज निकालता है? ये क्या है बच्चों? इसे बोलते हैं डियर। ये क्यूट है ना? क्या बोलते हैं इसे? डियर। A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. E for apple, E for ant, E for apple, E for ant. B for ball, B for beer, B for ball, B for beer. C for car, C for cake, C for car, C for cake. D for duck, D for doll, D for duck, D for dog. E for elephant, E for eagle, E for elephant, E for eagle. F for frog, F for flower, F for frog, F for flower. G for goat, G for grapes, G for goat, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hat, H for hen, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for ice, I for ice cream, I for ice. J for jelly, J for jar, J for jelly, J for jar. K for kangaroo, K for kettle, K for kangaroo, K for kettle. L for lizard, L for lion, L for lizard, L for lion. M for monkey, M for mango, M for monkey, M for mango. N for newspaper, N for nest, N for newspaper, N for nest. O for octopus, O for onion, O for octopus, O for onion. P for pumpkin, P for pig, P for pumpkin, P for pig. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for robot, R for rabbit, R for robot. S for ship, S for soap, S for ship, S for soap. T for tree, T for turtle, T for tree, T for turtle. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for vase, V for violin, V for vase. W for watermelon, W for window, W for watermelon, W for window. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Circle, circle. Sun, circle. Pizza, circle. Cake, circle. Ball, circle. Donut, circle. Circle. Sun, circle. Pizza, circle. Cake, circle. Ball, circle. Donut, circle. Circle. Square, square. Gift box, square. Cushion, square. Dice, bread, square, window, square, 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 triangle, triangle, sandwich, triangle, ice cream, triangle, cap, triangle, tree, triangle, tent, triangle, 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 sandwich, triangle, ice cream, triangle, cap, triangle, tree, triangle, tent, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, door, rectangle, popsicle, rectangle, television, rectangle, box, rectangle, bag, rectangle, 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 door, rectangle, square, square, gift box, square, cushion, square, dice, square, oval, oval, egg, oval, football, oval, pineapple, oval, mirror, oval, watermelon, oval, 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 egg, oval, football, oval, pineapple, oval, mirror, oval, watermelon, oval, oval, rhombus, rhombus, eyes, rhombus, kite, rhombus, fish, rhombus, toy, rhombus, ring, rhombus, 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 eyes, rhombus, kite, rhombus, fish, rhombus, toy, rhombus, ring, rhombus, rhombus, semicircle, semicircle, igloo, semicircle, cup, semicircle, umbrella, semicircle, rainbow, semicircle, cap, semicircle, semicircle, igloo, semicircle, cap, semicircle, umbrella, semicircle, rainbow, semicircle, cup, semicircle, star, star, starfish, star, batch, star, 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 starfish, star, batch, star, star, hexagon, hexagon, snowflake, hexagon, nut, hexagon, honeycomb, hexagon, 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 snowflake, hexagon, nut, hexagon, honeycomb, hexagon, hexagon, pentagon, pentagon, house, pentagon, envelope, pentagon, hut, Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. House, pentagon. Envelope, pentagon. Heart, pentagon, pentagon. Heart, heart. Strawberry, heart. Cake, heart. Chocolate, heart. Glasses, heart, heart, heart. Strawberry, heart. Cake, heart. Chocolate, heart. Glasses, heart, heart. Crescent, crescent. Moon, crescent. Banana, crescent. Red chili, crescent. Brinjal, crescent. Crescent, crescent. Moon, crescent. Banana, crescent. Red chili, crescent. Brinjal, crescent. Crescent. A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
deer,
E for
egg,
F for
fox,
G for
goose,
H for
hat,
I for
ice cream,
J for
jelly,
K for
ketchup,
L for
lion,
M for
muffin,
N for
notebook,
O for
owl,
P for
parrot,
Q for
quail,
R for
rhinoceros,
S for
spider,
T for
turtle,
U for
umbrella,
V for
vacuum,
W for
woodpecker,
X for
xylophone,
Y for
yo-yo,
Z for
zero,